In 2014, Peter Thiel called Twitter horribly mismanaged and hinted at some recreational activities happening at HQ. Fast forward to today, X has its fewest employees in a decade, yet it's boasting its highest usage ever. The Elon effect is real. Let's rewind to 2014. Peter Thiel, PayPal co-founder and Silicon Valley legend, drops a bombshell on live TV. Twitter is horribly mismanaged, probably a lot of pot smoking going on there. Twitter's CEO at the time tries to brush it off with a joke about Doritos. But Thiel might have been onto something. In 2011, Snoop Dogg visited Twitter HQ for an impromptu weed-fueled dance party. Yes, a rap legend quite literally hotboxed Twitter's office. By 2022, Twitter was a sinking ship. $221 million in losses for 2021. Stagnant user growth. Fierce competition from TikTok and Instagram. Many wondered, was Thiel right all along? Then came 2023. Elon Musk stunned the world with his $44 billion takeover. Critics screamed that Musk would destroy Twitter's culture, that he didn't get social media. But Musk had other plans. His first move? Fire 50% of the workforce, cutting the team from 7,500 to around 2,000. The internet thought Twitter was done for. Instead, usage went up. The Elon effect begins. So why did it work? 2 words, Parkinson's Law. Work expands to fill the time you give it. By cutting staff, Musk forced efficiency. No more endless meetings or layers of bureaucracy. Next, Musk rebranded Twitter as X, a step toward his vision of an everything app. This was more than just a name change. He wanted X to handle everything. AI, payments, video calls. X is becoming the WeChat of the West. Then came Musk's most controversial move, changing the verification system. Twitter Blue allowed anyone to buy the once coveted blue checkmark. Critics called it the death of credibility. But it did 2 smart things. 1, it created a new revenue stream. 2, it gamified Twitter, making users engage more. The result? Monthly active users hit over 500 million, up 6% year over year. Engagement is through the roof. And Musk's secret weapon? AI. X is using its massive data pool to train cutting-edge AI models, integrating tools like the Grok chatbot directly into the platform. X is becoming the testing ground for the future of AI. But Elon's most profound change? It wasn't technological, it was cultural. Musk ended remote work, demanding a hardcore work ethic. Critics called it harsh. But it created a highly motivated team, dubbed the X-Men. Daily video views up 45%, hitting 8.2 billion. X is growing 30% faster than Instagram among Gen Z. Ad engagement is 26% higher on X compared to other platforms. Thanks for watching, subscribe and share to get more knowledge videos like this.